Drive product speed, quality and repeatability with the eCommissioning SmartX IP Controller mobile app. This powerful and portable mobile app offers role-based features and functions that reduces time and costs associated with installation, setup and commissioning new SmartX IP controllers. Getting started is simple. The eCommissioning mobile app is a free download and runs on any device. Technicians, electricians and commissioning agents get simplified role-based workflows that assist them at every step of the process. Get a head start on projects and use the app to accelerate pre-commissioning even before the entire network infrastructure is in place. During installation, electrician can leverage QR codes and the mobile app can easily capture and record key information. Use that information to facilitate configuration and setup, and reduce the need to climb ladders to locate and connect controllers later in the setup. With the physical inputs and outputs wired, the mobile app can perform I/O checkout to verify wiring is correct. All of these details are recorded and saved in reports in the controller to validate the installation. The eCommissioning mobile app can access all installed controllers on the IP network via a wireless access point, or by using Bluetooth dongle connected to the SmartX living space sensor. The RPC controller also leverages onboard Bluetooth functionality. Technicians can easily download and configure the applications as needed, including control strategies, variables and points. Once configured, the mobile app provides features to verify the setup is complete and working. In case of the VAV control, commissioning the system is simple. The mobile app allows a flow balancer to complete the air balancing procedure, speeding the process through a guided, automated routine. VAV calibration data and all commissioning tasks are logged and saved on the controller in reports. That information remains accessible through the building automation system once the full system is online. eCommissioning mobile app speeds and simplifies the setup process and reduces the amount of manpower required, all while providing a complete audit trail that can be used to validate your installation.